Craving that crispy, juicy KFC-style chicken? Today, I'm going to show you how to make it right in your own kitchen. First, gather your ingredients: chicken pieces, buttermilk, flour, and the secret spice blend. You'll need paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a few more seasonings. Start by marinating the chicken in buttermilk with a pinch of salt. Let it sit for at least 4 hours. Overnight is even better. Next, mix your flour and spices in a large bowl. Dredge each piece of marinated chicken in the seasoned flour, pressing down to get a thick, even coating. Now for the perfect crunch, we're going to double fry. Heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the chicken in small batches until golden brown, then remove and let it rest. For that extra crispy finish, fry the chicken a second time for just 2 to 3 minutes. Let the chicken drain on paper towels, then dig in. You've just made your own KFC-style chicken, crispy, juicy, and oh so delicious. Serve it up with your favorite sides and enjoy a homemade feast that rivals the Colonel's. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.